Hello and welcome to phuketpals GED Express Screencast with me, Teacher Marky. This is under GED Mathematics, and today's topic focuses on place value and rounding whole numbers. Now, at the end of the discussion, every one of you is expected to understand the place value of whole numbers and round off numbers to the nearest 10, 100,000, and 10,000. Now let's have a quick review. We have here a number line. Now in rounding, to replace a number with a number that tells about how many to the nearest 10, 100, or 1000 and so on, you need to consider which one is nearer to that number that you are rounding. For example, we have here this number which is 27. If you're going to plot 27 on a specific number line and round it to the nearest tens, 27 is near to 30 compared to 27 being near to 20. So if you're going to round 27, it will be 30. And for the place value, that would be the value given to the place a digit has in a number. Now, let's start by rounding 2,372 to the nearest 100. Now, to find the place value, you need to check first the position of the number. In this case, 2 is in ones, 7 is in tens, and 3 is in hundreds, 2 is in thousands place. Now, we circle that digit that we're going to round because we are rounding 2,372 to the nearest hundreds place. So we circle 3. Now next, we consider the number that is being preceded after the hundreds place. That would be 7, which is on the tens place. So I put here an underline to denote that we are considering this number. Next, we have our basic rule. If the number that you are rounding or the number that is preceded by the number that you are rounding is 0 through 4, the number stays the same. And if the number preceded by the number that you are rounding is from 5 to 9, you're going to add 1. In this case, we have here 3, which is the number that we are rounding, and that is preceded by the number 7, which is in tens place. Now in this case, we are not considering staying 3 on its original form, but we're going to add 3. We are going to add 1 to 3 to make it 4. And we have here still the numbers, which are 7 and 2. Because we are following the rule that if it's 5 through 9, we add 1. If it's 0 to 4, we let the digit stay on its original form. Now, in this case, for all the numbers to your right, or for all the numbers that is preceded by the number that you are rounding to your right, you make it 0. Now, in this case, the number that we are rounding became 2,400. We make 7 into 0 because that is our rule. Now, in this case, our answer will become 2,400. Now, we just rounded 2,372 to the nearest 100, and the nearest 100 is 2,400. For example, if you're going to plot 2,372 on a number line, it is nearer to 2,400 compared to 2,300. So, the answer will become 2,400. Now, let's try these examples. How will you round 534 to the nearest 10? Can you guess the answer? The answer here is 530 because the number preceded by the number that we are rounding is 4. That is less than 5. So we let the number stay on its original form and change 4 to 0. So you will get 530. Next, we have here 6,721 and we're going to round it to the nearest thousand. We have here the number preceded after 6, which is 7. 7 is greater than 5, so we will add 1 to 6. This will become 7. And this will become 7. And this all will become 0 because that is our rule. So our answer now will become 7,000 if we're going to round it to the nearest thousand. Next, we use the rounding rule to round 3,526 to the nearest 10. We have here this question. What did you get when you round 3,526 to the nearest 10? Would you like to try answering? The answer is 3,530. You're right. Great job. How about this next problem? We have here 5,654 and you round it to the nearest thousand. We have here 5, which is in thousands place, and that is being preceded by the number 6, which is greater than 5. So we will add 1 to 5 to round it to thousandth place. So the answer will be 6,000. Great job. Now, good job everyone, and congratulations for trying how to round numbers and identifying the place value. Now let's have a lesson summary. Now to find the place value of the digit, you need to consider the position of the number. You move to the right, and from 0 through 4, the number stays the same, but 5 through 9, you need to add 1. Digits to the right change to 0 after rounding, and all other digits remains the same. Now, for the references that I have used for this discussion, you can read in advance McGraw-Hill Preparation for GED Test and Nelson Math 2017. It's also a nice book. Now, that will be all for today, and thank you so much for watching. Since you are here already, you might as well subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you find this video helpful, you can give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You can connect with us by visiting us at www.phuketpals.org or visit our Facebook page at facebook.com/phuketpals. Or if you have questions or inquiries regarding our organization, contact us directly through line or give us a call at 081-417-0978. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye everyone. See you in my next screencast.